The 67th mass shooting in America.
Transgenderism must be eradicated.
I'm so fucking scared. In Mississippi, there was just a law passed like 5 days ago that
before total climate
being
disaster.
left alone, and yet
the Jim
she
Crow
hates
laws
herself.
are being
You are so
reinstated.
pretty and
How
perfect.
long
You don't
would
have
it
to
take
change
to
how you
repeal?
look.
Hi, I am Kelvin Pinera. In today's digital age, information spreads faster than ever. But not all of it is true. In the Philippines, fake news is a growing problem. One that threatens our democracy. Misinformation spreads quickly, causing confusion and division. In a country with a complex history of media control, this is a constant challenge. To empower Filipinos, we need media literacy and transparency to ensure truth prevails. The future of the Philippines depends on how we control and use information wisely and responsibly.